Moving day checklist. What must happen before the truck arrives? That day is getting close, so we have to be ready. Moving day can be chaotic, especially in those last few hours before the truck arrives. If you miss a few key things, it can slow everything down or cause problems you didn't expect. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple day moving checklist so you know exactly what needs to be done before the truck arrives. Why this matters? Well, the goal is simple. When the truck shows up, you are ready. No scrambling, no last minute packing, no delays. A little preparation now makes the whole day go a lot smoother. Step 1, finish all packing. Before the truck arrives, everything should be already packed. No loose items, no half-filled boxes, because if it's not packed, it's going to slow everything down. Step 2, label everything clearly. Every box should be labeled with room name, whether it's fragile or not, and the contents of the box. This helps with loading and makes unpacking a lot easier. Step 3, disassemble large items. Take apart anything that needs it ahead of time. That includes beds, tables, shelving. Put all your screws and hardware in Ziploc bags and tape them to the item they belong to. Now for us, we hired movers, so we won't be taking apart, let's say like our dining room table. They're going to do it because if I take it apart, it's going to lay here. There's chance it's going to get damaged because I don't have it wrapped properly like they're going to wrap it. So they're going to come here to our place. They're going to disassemble our table, take the legs off of it. They're going to have blankets laid out. They're going to wrap it properly for moving so nothing gets damaged. So that's why we're not taking apart our beds or tables like this. That is part of the service. And that's the benefits of being able to hire a mover. Step 4, clear all pathways. Make it easy to move things out. Clear hallways, remove obstacles, open up the doorways. The faster people move, the smoother the day goes. Step 5, protect floors and doors. If you want to avoid damage, lay down some cardboard or mats. Protect corners and door frames. It takes a few minutes, but it can save you from repairs later. For us, the moving company brings in large mats. They're going to lay it all around the house where they're going to be walking and moving things out. They bring blankets, they bring bubble wrap to protect furniture, corners of walls, doors. So that for us, that'll be just a little bit of work that we don't have to think about. Step 6, set aside your essentials. Be sure to keep a separate do not load pile. Things like chargers, wallets, keys, medications, important documents. These stay with you. They do not go on the truck. Step 7, check utilities and final tasks. Before the truck arrives, make sure utilities are set up or scheduled, appliances are disconnected, and garbage is taken out. Handle the small stuff now so you're not rushing later. Step 8, do a final walkthrough. Walk through every room one last time. Check closets, drawers, cabinets, garage. You'd be surprised what gets left behind. Step 9, be ready early. Don't aim to be ready as soon as the truck arrives. Be ready before, because that buffer time will make a big difference. When the truck shows up, the goal is simple. You're ready to go. Everything is packed, organized, and easy to move. That's what makes moving day feel under control instead of stress. If you're ready for a move, check out the rest of my Moving Made Simple series, where I walk you through every step from planning to settling into your new place. I want to thank you for watching, and you can check out that Moving Made Simple series right here.